Alright, welcome everyone. That's where we're at so far. Today's looks like we're gonna finish up with the cattle catcher, which I'm interested in because that was the one I had real issues with on the smaller thing. I ended up having to do some trimming and gluing to get it to work rather than just fitting it in like it's supposed to be. But that being said, let's pull off these pieces over here and get what we need. Let's see, D22 times 2. And 2 of them, they gave us 3. Okay. And D23. 24, 25, and 26. All that easy to keep track of. 4, I think. And 26. And then, so let's set these over here. Do some sanding on them in a moment. That's the first part of step 20. Oh yeah, working on step 20 today. I don't think I mentioned that. Also, sorry if that sounded bad. I hit the mic by accident. Okay, so the second part need 27. Let go. 28 times 2. 29 times 2. And 30. Okay. So, let's get these. As I'm watching the numbers from this series, it's apparent I don't know if it's the format or the fact that it's a train, but I'm noticing a significant uptick in viewers, so I'm going to continue with this format with the next project, which will probably be another marble run. I've got a few of those lined up, so I need to get them on. But I'm going to keep the shorter format, one step at a time videos going, see if it's that or if I just need to find more models with trains in them. But I say the numbers look good, and that's cool. More subscribers as we go along. Build the channel and see where things go. Like I say, I don't intend this ever to be my job, but it wouldn't hurt my feelings to make a little money off of it to, subsidize the purchase of all the stuff I buy. All that being said, I have no intention of stopping. Even if I never get to the point where I'm making money, I enjoy this stuff. This is fun to use my hands and build things, and it gets me off the couch too. You can only play so many video games. All right. Last one on this. No, I did the big one, didn't I? Yeah, okay. Did that. Yeah, did that first. All right. Let me sort of study this and organize it how I want them set up, and we'll be right back. All right, let's get to building. Step 20. Here we go. So one plain circle one. The veneer on this one peeled off when I pulled it out, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on first so it's buried. There, then the sort of jagged one, I guess, in there, and then another circle, then you go onto this. And this one goes into here. Oh, I say there's a detail on the front. There's a line there, so I'm going to use the side with the detail on it. Hope there wasn't a no detail on that one. Alright. Now, this one goes into these two. Barely. Okay, you're getting in. There it went. It looks like it popped back out. Okay, now a little squeezed into place there. Alright, got them. Now, these guys go over the top into these notches. They're just hanging there. They're not really, they didn't really lock into place. Okay, and these, these go into this one. No, it must be the other one to make it connect there. Yeah, because that's too high. What does this one line up with? This is where they connect down there. So that lines up with. Those line up with the upper ones. So yeah, the lower. Wheels work. That break? Yep, that was a break on the back. There's a crack on the back. It didn't break. It stayed in one piece. And once I get it, I hope I won't break it when I put it in the rest of the way. Okay, be more careful with this one. Okay. Okay, now this is going to be touchy. Maybe. Okay, just broke it. Okay. Glue. Okay, so it's still not broken, but it's unhappy. Oh. I wonder if I can get it in there without cracking it again. Actually, those popped out. Fiddling around. Okay. Hey, that was the problem. This need to have that too. Okay. Gotta go in straight. Maybe get a grip on the axle. Not the axle, the frame. No, that didn't work. Okay. If you got an assistant to help you on this one, it will be ideal. Okay, that pushing stick's not big enough. There we go, try this. Okay, alright, well, Knew that was about to happen. Okay, get that back into place. Should apply the glue to the whole thing now that I broke it off. And line you up and drop you in. Hopefully. Nope. Okay. We'll let that sit on. Hopefully I can finish up without. Okay, that's the lineup I was looking for. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Hopefully I can put this last piece on without breaking it. Okay, so usually, like so, you go under the steam. All right, and I jiggled it a little bit, but I think that'll be all right. It should be a little crooked. Actually, this one looks crookeder than the I think it's within tolerance. Jiggle it just a little bit. Okay. Well, but anyway, look, that's what I was saying. This piece goes underneath the front of the exhaust thing there, the pipe. All right. This one out any. Looks like it should be, but I think I'm gonna quit messing with it before I break it again. Not a major issue. I wonder if they, now that I put that on, get to my spare parts over here and see. Ooh, did they give us a spare on that? No. They gave us a spare on this one. No, that's not even that one. That's a different one. Nope, no spares. Okay, I'll get that back down to G where it goes. There's all this. That was my file. Alright. Well, like I said, that's where we're going to stop today. It looks like there's just a ton of pieces in the next step, so that's going to be... and the next two steps have a lot of pieces, it looks like. And there's... Is that a... No, okay, that's just... Okay. I thought it was calling for a string. I was like, there's no string. But that's just sort of a cutoff for the picture. But anyway, that's where we're at. I think we're going to start to get the front assembled now. And it'll continue in the next video. Yeah, I see. I got it back together, and once that glue sets in, we'll be in good shape on that. But, like I say, I'm going to leave it alone for a little while to let that glue set in. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.